everyone. Today I'm explaining about Amazon Bedrock Agents AI, which is a powerful tool which enables you to leverage the power of Amazon Bedrock AI agents directly within your automation environment, enabling you to automate complex multi-step tasks using generative AI. To create a new job definition, we have to click here and then select Task Template. And then we can search Amazon Bedrock Agents. We select it and then we give it a name. And we select a workstation. Then we can move on into connection fields and we fill in every mandatory field with the access key ID, the secret key, the role earn, and the region. Then we test the connection. Then we can move on into action fields and we select an agent name. Then we select an agent alias name. And then we fill in the prompt field. Now we can save the job definition. We can find it here. And then we can run it. Then we move on into Orchestration Monitor. And we can find our job definition, which is running. Now that it is successful, we select it, we click here, and then we select it to open the task log. As we can see, we have all the information that we gave to the plugin. Here it is the result, and then here they are the output properties. Thank you for your attention.